Hey, New Jersey Renovations, this is Tyler with Leads by Lord I. I wanted to make this video for you and just give you a couple tips that you can start implementing right away to outrank your competition online and bring in more customers for your business. So I have your website pulled up here and it looks great. You know, it's completely fit out and you've got a lot of services that you offer and there's a good bit of content. All right, but when it comes to Google, content is king. They like to see anywhere from 1,000 to 2,000 words on the homepage of a website. And then as far as all these service pages, anywhere from 500 to 1,000 words. And really what that allows you to do is rank for specific keywords that people are typing into Google all the time. So you definitely have a great website, you know, to start out. We just want to add in that content to be able to rank for more keywords. Now I pulled up a report of your website in a tool I utilize called Ahrefs, and it just shows some data of your site, such as the overall rank, information of the backlinks, and then the current keywords you're ranking for. Now I'm actually going to go ahead and get rid of the www dot because sometimes that gives us some different metrics. And no, okay, so the same thing. It looks like you guys have been around since maybe 2018, 2017. So you definitely have some length to your site, right? Some age to your domain. But we definitely want to be ranking for more keywords here and create more backlinks. And what I did was I pulled up a couple competitors of yours that I typed into Google specific keywords that we're going to take a look at, and you know that way you can kind of focus it within your content and then rank for those keywords, okay, and then kind of build backlinks around them as well. So here's Magnolia Home Remodeling. I actually went to Google and I typed in bathroom remodeling New Jersey, and I came down and I hit the first result here. So again, this is their site, and this is actually their bathroom remodeling page. So this isn't their home page, this is just a service page for them. And as we scroll down, we see they have a lot of pictures, but definitely not a whole lot of content. So within your bathroom remodeling page, you can definitely outrank these guys by focusing on specific keywords and just adding in more content than them. Taking a look at their report, we do see that this page is ranking for 86 keywords, okay? And right away, we see bathroom remodeling New Jersey. It's bringing in 90 searches a month. Bathroom contractor in New Jersey, 90 searches. NG bathroom remodeling, 30, and so on and so on. So there's actually a lot of good keywords here for bathroom remodeling in New Jersey that you can take a look at here and utilize for your content. But we see the keyword here. We see the volume that each of these are bringing in. We see the current traffic that this site is bringing in from those keywords, and then the rank on Google. So we definitely want to be in the first 10 spots because that's the first page of Google, all right? But we do see here there's definitely some good keywords to focus on. And then I'm going to come over here and we went to Google and typed in kitchen remodeling, and we kind of did the same thing. Actually, Magnolia is doing a really good job. Their kitchen page is ranking as well, but we're actually just going to show you a different result here. We went to the second one. We're going to click that, and we see here Advantage Contracting. All right, and again, this isn't their home page. This is just their kitchens page, okay? But we come down, and they've got a little bit of content, but you know you can definitely beat them out with more. Heading over to their report, we see that this page is actually ranking for 268 keywords, and this is actually these are some great keywords. They have a lot of volume for kitchen remodeling. Kitchen remodel New Jersey 250, kitchen remodelers New Jersey 250, and so on, right? So there's a lot of good keywords here, a lot of volume, and look at all this traffic they're bringing in. So really, you know, focusing on these keywords and getting up into the top couple spots in Google is going to bring in traffic organically to bring in more customers for your business. You know, we talked about content a lot. The next thing I want to talk about are backlinks. Now, a backlink is really just a vote of confidence. It's a link from one site to another, right? And it passes power and trust to your site. And, you know, content's a big ranking factor with Google, but so are backlinks. All right, and it's a big popularity contest, really. Whoever has the most backlinks and the higher power and trust flow, the higher up your rank's going to be. So we see here Magnolia, this back page here for their bathroom remodeling, has 7 sites pointing back to this page, and it's giving them 14 backlinks. All right, and then over here for Advantage Contracting, their kitchen page, they have 11 sites, giving them 23 backlinks. All right, and these are basically the power and trust metrics. So we want to go into these backlinks just like we went into the keywords and see kind of what's working for them, duplicate that, and then beat them out as well. So those are definitely two ways that you can start outranking your competition and showing up on that first page. The last thing I would recommend doing is creating a Google My Business listing. Now, I couldn't find one for you, and sometimes it's tough if you don't know the specific name. But if you don't have one, this is definitely something to create because it's like a mini website. So I'll actually head back. When we type in these keywords into Google, we either come down to this organic section or we go to this map pack. Right? Sometimes there's ads up top, but not many people click those, right? So we definitely want to show up in the top couple of results here and here. But again, this is what the Google My Business listing looks like, and we see here, it provides information regarding their website, directions, call, it has Google reviews, hours, all that good stuff. All right, and this is a good place to add in a good description of your business and really showcase what you have to offer. You can throw in some keywords here, and again, get it ranking, in these top couple of spots because people trust Google to send them to the top results, right? So being up into this, top 3, being up into the top 10 here is definitely going to get you the results you're looking for. Now, as far as this Google My Business listing goes, we want to make sure it's optimized, and then we want to add in citations. All right, and that citation, again, is your name, address, and phone number, and we list those in business directories online, such as Yellow Pages. All right, and really what that does is it just gets your information out there for people to find, all right, and it boosts this listing up into these top 3 spots. So focus on content, backlinks, and citations along with optimizing this Google listing, all right, and it'll do wonders for your business. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. Here's my business website, leadsbylordi.com. My phone number is in the top right corner, and I look forward to talking to you soon.